How to earn passive income via crypto staking. Crypto marking is a cycle used to confirm cryptographic money exchanges. It likewise permits member to acquire auto revenue on their property. You can acquire any place between 5 to 20% for every annum on how many cryptos you stake. This is the way to acquire through crypto marking. Crypto marking is a cycle used to confirm cryptographic money exchanges. It includes submitting the property to help a blockchain network and affirm the exchanges. It additionally permits members to acquire easy revenue on their property. In the event that the symbolic you hold permits marking, you can stake some cryptos and procure an easy revenue. It happens by means of a marking tool, which can measure up to a premium-bearing investment account. Like an investment account, you can acquire any place between 5 to 20% for every annum on how many cryptos you stake. For what reason do you acquire the prizes, you might inquire? It is on the grounds that the blockchain gives your holdings something to do. They would utilize an agreement system called confirmation of stake to guarantee all exchanges are check and secure. Your crypto, in the interim, additionally turns into a piece of the cycle assuming you have marked it. Digital currencies like Solana, Polkadot, Ether, and Cardano permit marking presently. How to procure through crypto marking. The initial step is to pick verification of stake crypto. Know the base measure of crypto required for marking. Make a crypto wallet. This is the way you can make a crypto wallet. Offer your coins for a marking pool. Dangers of crypto marking. Are there any dangers of crypto marking? Definitely, there are. 1. Considering the instability of cryptos, the coin you put for marking may fall. But, in the event that you are an informal investor, you may botch the chance of wagering on rewarding as you can't involve the coins for quite some time to months. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptographic money is a computer or virtual cash that is gotten by cryptography, which makes it almost difficult to fake or twofold spend. Numerous digital currencies are decent organizations dependent on blockchain innovation and appropriate record implement by a unique organization of PCs. Characterizing component of digital forms of money is that they are for the most part not given by any focal power, delivering them hypothetically resistant to government obstruction or control. Key takeaways. This decentralized design permits them to exist outside the control of states and focal specialists. Specialists accept that blockchain and related innovation will disturb numerous ventures, including money and law. The benefits of digital currencies incorporate less expensive and quicker cash moves and decentralized frameworks that don't implode at a weak link. The inconveniences of cryptographic forms of money incorporate their value instability, high energy utilization for mining exercises, and use in crimes. Getting cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies are computer or virtual monetary forms supported by cryptographic frameworks. They empower secure internet-based installments without the utilization of outsider middle people. Crypto alludes to the different encryption calculations and cryptographic methods that shield these passages, like circular bend encryption, public-private key matches, and hashing capacities. Digital currencies can be mined or bought from cryptographic money trades. Not all internet business locales permit buys utilizing cryptographic forms of money. Indeed, digital currencies, even well-known ones like Bitcoin, are not really used for retail exchanges. That is, it may, the soaring worth of digital currencies has made them well known as exchanging instruments. They are likewise used for cross-line moves.